Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Bench and I'm your insurance partner. So, pag-usapan natin ngayon ang Manulife's Medical Secure or MedSecure. With the rising cost of hospitalization dito sa Pilipinas, hindi talaga sasapat kung mababa lang yung coverage mo. Kasi kung mababa lang yung coverage mo sa HMO, you have to really shell out money. So, if naghahanap ka ng mataas na coverage or mataas na limit and at the same time, may mga special access or mas maganda yung utilization, so then Manulife MedSecure is for you. Discuss muna natin yung mga features ni MedSecure. So number one, meron siyang extensive medical care. So ano ba yung extensive medical care ni MedSecure? So number one, it covers hospital confinement before and after care. Also covers emergency treatments and it covers special procedures anywhere in the Philippines. One of the main features as well of MedSecure is it covers high medical coverage. You can get high medical coverage with annual benefit limit from 1 million to 5 million. Plus sa MedSecure, meron pa siyang life insurance protection. You also have wide access sa mga accredited hospitals, partner with our medical network provider which is ValueCare. And for the non-accredited partners or hospitals, pwede ang reimbursement options. It's guaranteed renewal. You can get protection coverage up to 75 years old as long as the coverage is paid on time. It's very easy access treatment. Just present the digital card or letter of authorization or LOA. One of the value-added benefits din ni MedSecure is meron silang 24/7 telemedicine consult or teleconsult. Magkano ba si MedSecure? MedSecure is based on age. For as low as 60 pesos a day, for a 35-year-old male, pwede ka na makakuha ng MedSecure. So just imagine how much is that monthly that's. So roughly 2,000 to 3,000, it starts from there. So ngayon, alam nyo na yung main features ni MedSecure. Discuss naman natin in detail yung bawat isa. With MedSecure, you can choose from 3. From Plan 1 million, Plan 2.5 million, and Plan 5 million. So, discuss natin yung annual benefit limit. With Plan 1M or Plan 1 million, you can get 100,000 life insurance. So, in case of untimely death of the insured, makakakuha ng 100,000 yung declared mong beneficiaries. Another feature of Plan 1M is it covers you regular private room and board during your hospital stays up to 5,000 pesos. For the plan 2.5M naman, meron kang 250,000 life insurance coverage. And for the room, you're covered for large private up to 7,000 pesos. For the plan 5M naman, you're covered 500,000 life insurance coverage. And for the room, you're covered executive suite up to 15,000 pesos. So in short, for the life insurance, it's 10% of the annual benefit limit. And for the room and board during your hospital stays, depende siya sa selected plans nyo. Kung 1M ba, 2.5M, or 5M. You have free and unlimited access to general practitioners and family medicine consults. You can access this service by Doctor Anywhere app. Another benefit is if you're planning to consult to a specialist in Doctor Anywhere app, mas mababa yung rate or mas may discount yung mga specialista nila kung magbubuka ng consultation versus sa usual na regular membership ng Doctor Anywhere app. Exclusive for MedSecure members. Isa din sa pinaka gusto ko dito kay MedSecure is meron siyang outpatient care before and after hospitalization. So you can get reimbursement 60 days prior the admission and 60 days after the admission, up to your remaining annual benefit limit. Another feature na nagustuhan ko rin kay MedSecure is they also cover special procedure coverage. Special procedure, usually ito talaga yung mga pinakamahal. Yan yung mga tests na kailangan gawin. So ano-ano ba yung kino-cover ng special procedure ni MedSecure? Here are the few commonly utilized procedure na kino-cover ni MedSecure. MRI, CT scan, 2D echo with Doppler, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, kidney dialysis. Just a reminder, kailangan lang ng doctor's order and diagnosis para dito sa special procedure. So let's talk about naman yung mga out of scope ni MedSecure or yung mga hindi niya nako-cover. Number one is yung emergency treatment. For the emergency treatment, hindi niya kino-cover unless magtuloy siya or mag-proceed siya sa regular confinement or admission. But if the emergency treatment is due to accident, for example, kinagat ng aso or na dengue, kino-cover siya with or without hospital admission up to your annual benefit limit. Also, meron tayong tinatawag na waiting period term kay MedSecure. Pag sinabing waiting period, within this time frame or timeline na waiting period, after that, saka pa lang natin siya or saka mo pa lang siya pwedeng gamitin or maklaim. Pag sinabing waiting period, hindi naman sa hindi na siya i-cover. Meron lang tayong palugit or waiting period na kailangang hintayan bago siya ma-avail, which is usually common sa mga HMO providers. Ang maganda naman kay MedSecure, it's guaranteed renewal. So, after the 12-month period, whatever illnesses that you have, as long as pasok siya at kayang i-handle ni annual benefit limit mo, i-cover yan. MedSecure also covers you for annual checkup. So you'll get free annual checkup every year. So we have Plan 1 for Plan 1M, Plan 2 for 2.5M, and Plan 3 for 5M. So basically, these are the coverages or tests na included sa Plan 1. Physical examination, chest x-ray, urinalysis, fecalysis, CBC, FBS, and total cholesterol. Nare-request nyo yan, depende kung ano yung pinakamalapit or accredited facility na malapit sa inyo. So for the complete test, kindly screenshot for the other plans. Another very important feature ni MedSecure is yung kanilang app-based claims experience. So meaning, pwede ka na mag-process ng after sales, ng HMO availment mo, ng mga claims mo sa mismong app. You can access there your digital card, you can request your LOA, you can schedule your annual checkups, you can file or request for reimbursements, and you can also track and see your remaining coverage doon mismo sa app. O, diba, very self-empowering siya, no? Hindi na yung tatanong ka pa, hindi na yung babalik-balik ka pa doon sa policy mo kasi mismong app, makikita mo na siya doon. Empowered ka to do things. Pwede ka mag-self-service. For the inpatient care, it covers you room and board, medical professional fees, surgeon and anesthesiologist fees, operating room, ICU, and recovery room. All covered basta pasok siya sa ABL mo or yung annual benefit limit. I also do free consultation. Ako mismo yung magdi-discuss sa inyo. All you need to do is just click the link below or message nyo lang ako dito sa mga social media accounts. So if you want to know more about life insurance, health insurance, HMO, and other type of insurance, like and follow mo lang yung channel ko. And kung sa tingin mo makakatulong tong video na to sa iba, share mo na rin.